Alright, welcome to another video. So, the garage. It's already summer. Officially, si Pag-asa declared already yesterday that it's the start of summer season. So it's the end of March this week. And tomorrow may trip tayo. As I've said, pag summer kasi usually we have summer trips na misis. And we will be going to Clark. No? Siyempre, gagamitan natin si 150E, the mighty 150E. Pag trip, ito yung ginagamit natin. So last na ginawa natin dito, summer prep, change oil, spark plug, here's the key, and ano pa ba? Yun lang, ang kulang ko pa yung tint. Hindi ko pa siya napapatint sa loob dahil natambakan na naman tayo ng trabaho dun sa ibang sasakyan, no? Particularly the Pajero. So anyway, we will go to Shell White Plains now. Papagasan ko na to para bukas dire-diretso na and papahanginan yung gulong dahil it's been so long na pinahangin ako yung mga gulong nito, no? Brand new naman yung mga tires na yan. Otani brand. Yan. Alright, first start. Ay, here's the key. Aircon din pala. Pinagawa natin. Pina-maintain natin. Pinalinis natin and full recharge. First time natin ginawa yun sa kanya ever since owning this car. Ayan. Super love this car. Super reliable. Super comfortable. Super pogi. Yan yung gas niya. 1/4. Kung makikita nyo. Ayan, 1/4. Pag-asa natin ng 2.5, I think it's more than enough. Tapos pati yung mga RFID, papaloadan natin dahil hindi ko sure kung may laman pa or wala. Para bukas again, dire-diretso na lang tayo, no? Alright, 2.5 in. So, Shell, paloadan natin, RFID, North and South. Alam ko kasi, CTEC South eh. Tapos North na rin dahil di ako sure kung may laman, no? 1,000 muna. This is South. Alright. This one, meron pang namang 1-2 na check natin. So, wag na to. RFID done. Gas done. Pahangin na natin yung gulong. Gwapo talaga oh. VIP. No? Kaya natin, gano'n tumas. 2.5. Saan umabot? Yan. Yun. Lagpas half. So, it's more than half. Lagpas parang half. Ayos, madami yan. So, pahangin na natin. Well, mukhang malambot yung iba. Sobrang tagal ko nang di nilalagyan. 35. So, sa likod, right side, from driver side. Ilan? 20. Kulang na nga, oh. Tagal ko na kasing di pinapalagyan. So, tama lang, palagyan natin. Tapos nakulang na ng talaga tint sa likod. Gusto ko super dark para VIP na VIP, yung hindi kakita. So, nakita ko na yung shop, siguro somewhere in Marikina para malapit. Ceramic. Alright, so gas, RFID, naload na, napagasan na natin, 2.5, more than half. That's more than enough for the trip. It's Thursday today, so tomorrow is Friday. We will be leaving after lunch. Yun, dire-diretso, uwi tayo Sunday. Explain ko na bukas kung ano mga gagawin natin doon sa Clark. Sobrang tagal na since I've been there. So, let's go home. See you tomorrow. Alright. Good afternoon. It's following day, Friday. So, alis na tayo. On our way to Clark with Anika and the new Yaya. So, here is the situation. Yan ang gamit. That's the beauty of the A150. Hindi problema ang gamit, ang kamada. Hindi na binaba yung kulungan ni Clark. Yan lang siya. So, plus pa. That's actually the reason why we bought this car is para kay Clark. Para sa cage siya. Ayan, para madali siya bitbitin. Pag SUV kasi, medyo challenge. Hindi kasya actually, itong cage na to ni Clark. So, heavy packing, pero walang problema kay E150, no? Sumakit tiyan ko, naglolo ko. So sumakto pa ngayong araw. So nag-Imodium na tayo. So sana mag-okay na, no? First start for you. Kahapon pinagasan na natin 2.5. Pinahangin natin yung gulong, aircon, pinalinis at pina-recharge natin. So summer prepping, last thing would be the tint. Gagawin ko yan, don't worry. First start. Gas is more than half para makita natin yung gas consumption. Papuntain pabalik, lagpas ng half. So we will be going to Clark and we will stay sa The Mansion ng pangalan ng hotel. It's a 4-star hotel in Clark. We will be spending time with Elaine, the family of Elaine, and pangalan nun, Lek, kapitbahay namin. Actually, schoolmate kasi ni Anika, yung mga anak nila, no? So, every summer, we go out. Last year, we went to Bataan. Ewan ko kung nakita niyo yung video niya. It's from my old channel pa. So, we went to Bataan with Elaine. Ngayon naman, Clark. Kasi, tagal na namin gusto puntahan ni Mrs. I've never been to Aqua Park in Clark. Parang malaking amusement park na swimming. And yung Clark Safari, it's a new zoo in Clark. So yun yung gagawin natin for the weekend do. For ngayon lang, we will be traveling to Clark, the Mansion Hotel. It's about 2 hours drive, about 100 kilometers more or less do. So with this E150, yun naman ang silbi niya, is pang outing. And lumalaki na yung pamilya. Kahapon si Mrs. Buntis, di ba? And nalaman na namin gender. We will be having another baby girl. So dalawa na sila ni Anika. Dalawa na silang babae, no? The more that we need this car. So again, I was supposed to sell this car already last year dahil hindi ko na siya nagagamit. But then nagka-blessing na lumaki yung family natin. So this car will be staying, no? Balikan ko kayo later. Yan yung bahay nila Elaine. In walkable distance. Kapit-bahay namin. Tapos ka-school ni Anika, yung mga anak niya. Kaya saktong-sakto. So we try to build relationship with them para pag lumaki yung mga anak namin, magkakasama sila. No? Importante yun. Alright, see you later. Starbucks. Bibili. Dahil gusto niya ng iced coffee. No? So yung 150 bagay dito sa Corinthians. Daming tao. So let's wait for mommy. Itong yung 50, pwedeng kumonboy dyan sa Escalade. Bagay. No? Nakakasabay pa rin yung forma nito sa mga ganyang lalaki. Kaya maganda. Alright, so we are back on the road. Diyan na yung mga iced coffee natin. It's 2 o'clock. Tama, it's 2 o'clock. So 2 hours siguro mga 4 PM andun na tayo sa Clark. Depending on the traffic, no? Friday naman tapos alanganin naman. And yung ginagawang daan sa NLEX dun sa Marilao, nagawa na ata the other day. So mas maluwag na ata ang biyahe ngayon, no? So dire-diretso na tayo from EDSA to NLEX, biyaheng north. Clark lang, lapit lang. See you later. 30 minutes after, we are in NLEX. So tingnan natin kung may laman. Sabi ng RFID kahapon meron 1-2. Ayan, meron pa nga 1-1. NLEX. Kasi ngayon lang ulit kami nag-NLEX. Couldn't even remember the last time that we went to NLEX. Siguro yung Bataan trip, yun na rin yun. May din yun ata, April o May last year. So 1 year na yung load na yan, no? Here we are, back to NLEX. Swabe naman so far, wala masyadong araw. It's 35 degrees outside. Summer officially started the other day. So this is our first trip, summer trip. At meron pang Anbaya, I think, sa May, no? So update ko kayo ulit later. Yan ang gustong takbo niyan, 100, no? Pag 100 kilometers, the car is lighter, the car is faster, more smooth. May LC na naman sa harap natin. So far the drive is really good. Traffic is cooperating. The car is also cooperating as always. Yeah. Gas check, lagpas half pa. We are 50 minutes away. 50 kilometers away. Halfway na tayo actually. Oh yeah, okay. 3:30, entering SCTEX. 20 minutes away. Malapit na. 13 kilometers. Clark na tayo. So, gas update, half tank. Kaya kung makita nyo, saktong half. No? So, papasok na tayo ng Clark. So far, okay ang biyahe, walang traffic, smooth na smooth. Perfect day actually, para bumiyahe. Wala masyadong sasakyan. Sakto lang. Clark North, turning right, 5 meters away. Yan. We are in Clark. Lapit lang, bilis lang. Dali puntahan talaga. From Manila. So, saktong-sakto, walang kahirap-hirap. Especially with this car. Very comfortable. Gas, V8. So much space. Ayan. Toll, Kano. Nagpaload tayo kahapon, 500. 800 lift. Ano to? Sa south. Yung Ready Swift ba yun? Ayan. So yan, Clark na. May Meat Plus oh. Sikat yung Meat Plus na yan sa Subic. We are here. So, dire-diretso lang. Ayan. Clark kasi marami na magandang puntahan dito. Very developed place. Welcome to the mansion. Ganda.
Sabihin mo number 6 tayo. Sabihin number
6. Dali lang. Villa pala sila. Number 6. Villa 6.
Villa 6.
Oh.
In Floro.
Kay Eileen po. Kasama kayo naka-check-in doon. Sige, pa-register na lang po kayo.
Saan?
Po, building sa dulo, sir.
Kanan dulo.
Yes po, sir.
Saan yung 6 ka mo? Huwag na daw tayo mag-register.
Saan yung 6?
Sir, 6 sa kabila, pero kailangan nyo po magpa-register muna doon.
Okay.
Sa
Kunyari
reception
lang.
po.
So gas check, half pa. Ayan, kung makita nyo. So umalis tayo ng bahay, lagpas half. Yan ang natira. 100 kilometers in. We are inside the mansion complex or compound. Register ka muna dyan. Dito ata 5,000 per day. Per overnight.
10,000 yung room natin.
So Friday, suwi kami Sunday. So nasa almost 15,000 binayaran namin dito. Mura lang. Hindi naman ganun kamahal. Tignan natin kung maganda yung villa. So kaya papasok ka dito siguro. No? So may sundo ka palang go-kart. Kasi dito ang parking. Tapos sa mga villa nandun. Dadaling kayo dun. Ganun style. So, the A150 made it to Clark. Our first trip for summer 2025. So, Clark trip tayo. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung villa natin. Ano yung tsura. It's our first time here. Looks promising. Unload lang tayo gamit, ha? So, on our way to the villa. $150, thank you for your service. Nasundo naman pala. We were worried for a while. Kala namin magbubuhat kami ng gamit. Dahil ayun, daming gamit. Hello, sarap tulog mo ah. American style. So nag-open daw sila 2018. Bago-bago pa. Yan ang villa namin. Magkadikit ata kami nila Eileen. So yan, ganyan makukuha nyo. Price 5,000. Dito, huy, di dyan, baliktad dyan. May garden ka pa. Oh. Pwede aso dito, kuya? Not allowed? Bawal ang aso. Yung tsura. Maganda. Ay. So, you have the garden. Tapos may field. Baseball field. Ayan yung bahay mo. Diyan kami lahat. Funhouse pala kami. Nila Eileen. Ayan. Pwede kayo dito. Paggabi, hapon.
Cute, no?
Ganda nga.
Mommy, where's the playground?
Simple lang siya. Parang container nga. Ayan. This is what you get. American na American. Baseball. Let's check the room. How it looks like. Taas. Uh, 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 uh. So, ito CR. Malaki CR. What's that? Ayan, to. Room. Isang room. Ganda rin, oh. Malamig. Malamig, oh. May bunk bed pa. For the kids. Dito yung parents. Sila Elaine ito. Dito sila. Ganda. Oh, mahulog ka dyan. Baka dito kami. Ito, dito kami. 2 rooms. So, ayan. This is how it looks like. Ganda naman. Walang TV. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng TV actually. No? Alright. So, 5 o'clock. Swimming time. Here is their swimming pool. Tapat lang ng pong dila natin. Anika is there. Anika! Swimming na. Oh. Ayan, masaya na siya dyan. Maganda swimming pool nila. Malaki. Then, you can order and have a good time. Oh, Anika is already swimming. Alright. Alright, dinner time. So, Korean barbecue. Here in Clark. Sobrang daming Korean barbecue dito. So, sikat pa sikat. So, dito kami kakain. Ito, kotse ni Lelek. Sakto, harap. So, we will have dinner here. So, waiting. Pang-walo. Ito sa Elaine. Buntis din. Pareho sila. Si Mrs. Ayan. Si Emilia, classmate ni Anika. Dito yung classmate niya, si Ethan. Oh. Hello. Si Daddy Lek. Hello. Waiting kami. Pero mukhang masarap naman. Bagay. So, loob pala yung waiting. Sa loob, waiting. Pero sa labas, pwede naman. So, ayusin namin pwesto namin dito. Ito yung loob. Ayan yung loob. Korean. Grill, dami tao. Alright. Alright, dinner time. Ayan, labas kami outdoor. Malamig naman. Maganda. Dito sa spot na to, maganda. Daming kung ano-ano. Ayan, so Korean night. I'm having my Santori. Pamparelax. And the food. Japchae. Bulgogi. Fried rice. Ayan, bulgogi. No? Ito kay Anika, yung egg. Alright, first night in Clark. Panalo yung bulgogi nila. Loaded. Saka itong kimchi fried rice. Masarap.
Ay, gusto ba niya?
Siyempre yung rice ng Korea. Oh, sarap na food trip.
Yung mga kainan doon,
Oh, sarap siya dito sa soup na yun.
masyadong ano.
Parang si Clark eh. Si Clark, mahilig sa mga soup yun. Tapos yung pork, sarap ng pork, saka ng bulgogi. Solid. Saka hindi mainit sa labas, sakto ka, presko. Saka hindi mausok. Good morning! So it's the next morning with Emilia, Ethan, and Anika. So we are on our way to Aqua Planet. So it's 10 o'clock, Saturday. Medyo umuulan ng konti here in Clark. Loving the place, the mansion. So again, we are on our way to Aqua Planet. One of the agenda for this trip. I believe it's the largest water park in the country. Or one of the largest in Asia, I think. Hindi ako sigurado, no? But, ang maganda ron, may crowd control and it's a world-class facility, I think. So, hindi ganun kamura yung ticket. Parang more than 1,000 pesos per person ang ticket, no? So, hindi siya masikip. I'm expecting, dahil it's not cheap. Here's the E150 for you. Tamo, may iba talaga siya sa parking lot, no? She stands out. Kaya mo siya binibili dahil dyan. One of the reasons to give you that VIP feel, VIP look. So, malapit lang naman ang Aqua Park. It's like 3 kilometers away yata, 10 minutes away from here. So, around the compound lang naman ng Clark. First start for you. Start na natin para lumamig. Dami na naming trips ni E150 as you have seen. So this will be our first summer trip. Siyempre, summer na, kailangan may swimming. First start. Okay. Yan. Half pa rin ang tank natin, gas natin. So malapit lang naman within the area. See, Aqua Park. So the kids are excited. It's our first time there. Lahat kami first time sa Aqua Planet. So we expect a lot actually. Kasi nga medyo pricey ang ticket natin, no? Alright. So the kids are here. So, dyan sila sumakay. 7-seater lang to without the third bench or the second bench na pinakalikod. Bangko naman. With the captain chairs. So everyone is comfortable. With the aircon on top. Overhead aircons. Lahat pala kami nandito with Daddy Lek. Full house. So, maluwag naman. Kaya kayo binibili niyan para dyan sa space. So, on our way to Aqua Planet, 3 kilometers away, 10 minutes lang. Maganda sa Clark, lahat dikit-dikit. Marami kayong magagawa dito. So, see you. Maambon. Okay lang, sakto. Para walang araw. Hindi kami masusunog sa Aqua Planet. But the situation, punong-puno. And medyo hill climb ng konti. Kasi Clark, mountainous area din. No? Ayan, ito na ata. Oh, yan. This is the park, I think, Aqua Planet. Andun yung parking, ah. Oh, kapatid ulit ito. Oh, may E150 ito, maganda. Puting E150. White, bihira yung white. Ganda. Ayan, oh. Wala, Anika, laki, Anika. Oh. Takot na si Anika. Oh, ayan yung Aqua Planet. Touchdown. Nakapark na rin tayo. Here in Aqua Planet. The parking is here, katabi ng LM. Oh, di ba? Pwede naman sumabay itsura niya sa LM. Ito, mahal to. 7 million na ata yan. Alright. A150 did great. Punong-puno. Actually, yun yung gusto niya. Pag maraming sakay, yan ang trip ng auto, no? Mas hindi matagtag. Kasi kung medyo magaan, medyo bouncy ng konti. Pero kung may weight, perfect drive. So, bumaba lang sila doon. Hindi naman puno yung parking. And yeah, the place looks promising. Here is Aqua Planet, the entrance. Mukhang maganda naman. Mukhang pulido naman, quality work. Ginawa nila dyan. Theme park talaga. So, hanapin ko lang sila misis, no? Picturean ko lang dyan to. So, you get this strap. Ayan. Saan yung strap mo? Patingin yung strap mo. Ayan. Strap. Entrance. So, di naman gano'ng karami tao. We got our tickets sa Klook. So, inside Aqua Planet Clark. Yan ang itsura. Just for you guys to see. Wala naman masyado marami tao. Sakto lang. Sakto lang siya. Right, so we are looking for a place to tambay. Put all our things. Dami ring foreigners. Koreans specifically. Ang ganda, no? Grabe, dami. So, ayan, libre naman ata yung mga kabana na yan as long as it's free, pwede tayo dyan. So, hanap-hanap tayo place. Ayan, medyo huminto na yung ulan, sakto. So, siyempre, for the kids, ito yung parang TV park nila. Ang laki kasi, meron pa dun eh. Nakakatawad maglakad. So, I'll just show you a glimpse. Ayun, oh. Boom! Tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata, oh. Si Anika, oh. Si Emilia. Yan, so this is what we came here for, to enjoy the water park. So, it's nice. Yeah, quality, quality. Hindi ganun ka-crowded. May bayad pala yung mga ganun, yung mga kabana. Hindi ko lang alam how much. Pero look at that structure. Oh. Parang Minecraft. Oh. Okay. Right, so this is the main attraction. One of the main attractions is yung big wave. Ganda. Actually, ganda talaga. Ano, maraming tao, pero yung facility, kayang-kaya. Kasyang-kasya. The extreme rides are there. Dito, ayun, meron pa doon. So, lumipat kami ng pwesto somewhere here. para mas malapit sa main attraction. Maganda tong waves na to. I super like it, no? So, we are about to have lunch. Ayan. This is Aqua Planet for you. So, it's lunchtime. Yan, kiddie meal. Fried chicken, spaghetti. So, marami naman bilihan yan. May kainan dyan. Bibili ka dyan. So, theme park, amusement park. It's a nice place actually. I like it. Right, 4:30 p.m. We're on the way out. So, syempre, the E150, lahat kami dito sasakay. Mga 9, including kids. Basta kandong, kasya. Pero kung may bangko sa pinakalikod, kung hindi inalis, kasyang-kasya. So, we enjoyed our time. Quality, no? Maganda yung place, Aqua Planet. I love it. Pwedeng balikan. So, on our way back to the mansion. Happy Sunday! It's our last day in Clark. Day 3. So, agenda for the day. Kasi naman tayo ni Anika. We will be going to Clark Safari. One of the newest zoo in the city. Ito, matagal na namin gustong puntahan. Again, the whole group, it's our first time going here. Dahil syempre, kung may kids, dapat may zoo. So again, this trip is all about the kids for their bonding. Good morning from the E150. Really happy with this car. Dami na naming memories together. Si Anika, yung napanganak, ito ang sumundo sa kanya. No? So, been with me for 5 years. Yan, that's why I love this car so much. Dami ng memories. Lalo na ngayon, may bagong baby. So, dalawa na sila ni Anika. 2 girls na. So, the more that I will need this car because of the space, no? So, again, Clark Safari. We will visit Clark Safari. It's about, lapit lang. That's the beauty in Clark. Lahat ng mga attractions or mga pwedeng puntahan, malalapit lang. So, it's about 4 kilometers away, 10 minutes away. Malapit dun sa Aqua Planet kahapon. So, this will be our last agenda for the trip. And then, afterwards, uwi na. Diretsong uwi na sa Manila. So, that's the plan, no? With the group. First start for Sunday. The old school key. Less than half na. Ayan. Pero konti lang naman. If you can remember, more than half when we left Manila Friday. So yan yung tira. See? So basta trip okay naman to si E150. So don't be scared of the V8 as long as you're not driving her everyday. Siyempre pag araw-araw V8 pa rin yan, no? Alright, ilagay ko lang doon para mas malapit. So waiting lang ka na misis to check out pa yan. Again, the beautiful van, underrated van. Maganda kasi talaga dito if you're gonna buy one. Mura na lang, 300,000, this model, year model, 2009 and up. Tsaka magaganda dyan, lahat sila halos low mileage kasi nga hindi ginagamit, no? So, very reliable as you have seen. This unit's been with me 5 years. Gave me not so much problems, mga basic lang, kaya naman pagawa. Parts you can buy sa kasa, tapos may nabibili ka rin naman sa Banawe or aftermarket, yan. Even one subscriber actually nag-message, nag-comment. Hindi ko rin naisip, pwede pala siya sa ano, kasi meron siyang big bike. So minsan kailangan mong i-transport yung big bike. So naghahanap siya ng van. So yeah, this is a good option for that. Kung meron kang big bike, tapos and you want to move you bike a lot, you move from places to places. Ito perfect. Tatanggalin mo lang yung ito. You will just remove the bench seat at the rear. Kasyang-kasya yung bike. Tsaka mababa kasi siya dito. Gagawa ka na lang ramp, papasok. So just remove this bench, yung bench na yan. Kasya na yung bike. You can leave the captain chair as is. Tapos maluwag na, kakasya na nga yung big bike. Kasi ang maganda nga sa E150, meron siyang space sa gitna, no? Ayun, yung sa gitna doon. So kasyang-kasya, makakaupo pa, may makakaupo pa. So yeah, yun, kung bike, looking for a van for your bike, ito, best option. Kasi after this one, mahal na, mga Grandia na. Yun nga kasi sa atin, wala masyado mga van options or urban, pero mga mahal pa sila, mga second hand. So ito, mura na lang. no? Alright, so let's go to Clark Safari Zoo. Ito, mataas expectations ko doon. Maganda yata yun. Sabi nila, world class din. With over 4,000 animals there. So, for the kids, see you later. Nga pala, here sa mansion, we paid 15,000 per day. Yeah, hindi 5,000. Nagkamali ako. 15,000 per day for that villa. For that unit with 2 bedrooms. Maximum, mga 12 packs siguro. Sagad-sagad na yun. Pwede ka naman mag-request ng extra bed sa baba. So, yun. May bayad na 1K. Pero yun, sulit na sulit. You can do what we did. Sharing kayo, family. 2 families mag-share kayo to share the cost. No? So that's what we did. 15,000 per day for the mansion. Ayan, maganda. Tapos may field, may soccer field, may baseball field. So your kids, if into sports, ayan, even dito, may soccer field, konti, mini. Tapos may playground dun. Maganda yung playground dun and bonfire. No, maganda yung bonfire, tapos sa gabi, meron din silang movie sa labas. So, what I love about Clark, ang daming acacia. Okay, no? Acacia trees. Mga 100-year-old trees. Ayun, no? Ang lalaki, preserve. No? Nagpapaganda sa lugar. Inaalagaan talaga nila, pinapreserve. Ito, dinidevelop ma. Mimosa. Ito, ngayon na kami nakapunta sa Mimosa. Ayun. Acacia tree na yun. Ganda, no? Clark Safari. Pa-left. Right beside Aurora Villas. Residential. Ganda magkabahay dyan, no? Kasi mauuwian mo. Lapit nga lang 2 hours from Manila. So it will be nice if you have a house here or an apartment. Dami mo magagawa. You can relax. Ganda. Ayun, no? Bahay yata yan. Tapos may mga bahay dun sa tuktok. Ayun. Ayan. Clark Safari. Okay. Yan. So dito tayo nagparada para may puno konti. Kasi medyo mainit ata. And safari talaga siya. Ayun, no? Open. Ayan sila lake. Gamit nila carnival. Alright. Pakita ko sa inyo a glimpse of the park para hindi masyado humaba yung video natin, no? Yung mga rigs nila, oh. Trooper. Safari nga kasi. Tapos may safari, Nissan Patrol. Ayan, ganda. Tapos may Nissan Patrol. Tignan mo. Ayan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May Fortuner. Oh. Nakarig talaga. In fairness, oh, naka-mags. But I don't think it's running. Running kaya. Oh, diba? Ayos. Ganda ng entrance. Oh, diba? Oh. Mayroon pang rig, Fortuner. Oh. Naka-lift kit, big tires, snorkel, rack, decals. Ganda. Ito namang isa, Hyundai. Maganda, world class. Oh. Diba? Fog lamps. Kompleto. Ganda dito, ah. Ito sana pwede rentahan para di kami maglakad. And I'm wearing sandals. Dapat pala nag-shoes ako. Hindi naman kasi ako magdala eh. Pwede ka siguro mag-ATV. Ayos. May wagon na Volvo. Yung pink. Volvo wagon, oh. Oh, siyempre may Pajero. Oh. Gen 2. Bukas. Open natin. Oops, okay. Mukhang di na ginagamit. Oh, grabe. Puro kalawang na. Hindi na siya ginagamit, oh. Pero maganda yung mugs. Tsaka yung goma. Ito rin yung Patrol. 3-door, ah. Oh. 3-door. 3-door siya, oh. Ayos. 1 hour waiting. Finally, we are in. Ayan na. So, you have to wait lang. Kasi ang daming tao, medyo. So, yan yung style. Safari nga. Open. Light Ace. Toyota Light Ace. Oh. Okay. Yan. Ang ride natin. Clark Safari. Light Ace. Kung lalakarin mo, pwede 2 hours. Mga 2 hectares ata. Pero pag ganito, 15 hectares. 2 hours pala ang kotse, 15 hectares. Ang lakad, kung lalakarin mo, if you choose to walk, 2 hectares worth of walking. Yan, no? So better talaga ganito, 4-5. Eh kung group to man kayo, hati-hati. That's the compound. Nice. Scared? Oh. First stop, Mango Farm. Ganda ng Mango Farm, oh. Oh, yan. Quick lang para hindi mababa video. May playground, the kids are playing. Then may view sa baba. Oh, yun lang. Oh, feeding sila. Oh, diba? Good experience for the family. So, picture with the baby tiger. Ayun. Taga lang.
Hawakan nyo lang itong bote. Yung kabila kamay po.
I want to them.
Huwag niyo po ibababawin yung tatay. Sa camera po. Baby. Ate. Thumbs up na po kayo lahat. Thumbs up.
Oh, hold mo.
Oh, look at the camera, baby. Hawakan nyo mabuti yung bote siya.
Hawakan mo.
Thumbs up.
Hold mo.
Very good. No tiger pose.
Right, 2:30, tapos na. So, mabilis lang actually. Sa buong ikot, the place is really not that huge. So, sakto lang. Makikita ko ng mga African animals. So, I think we're gonna have lunch. Then, uwi na. Lunch somewhere in Clark. So, balikan ko na lang kayo lunch. Then, uwi na tayo Metro Manila. Right. 5 minutes away from Clark. Dito pala, Binulo Restaurant yan. Sarap daw yan. The E150, ayan na. So, super late lunch. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Masarap daw to eh. Filipino restaurant. So, kain lang tayo. Then, let's head back home. So, yun lang yung trip natin, no? Pumunta na tayo ng Clark. We enjoyed Clark. I like Clark so much. Ang lapit. Very progressive town. Daming developments. Daming pwedeng gawin, as you have seen, mura, no? And everything, no? So, let's wait for the food. Stig lang silang tulungan manok na, no? Sa loob ng bamboo. Yun, no? Stig, no?
That's the sinigang.
Oh, sinigang, no? Yung bamboo.
Palukan manok, pinampalukan.
Lupit, no?
Okay, so
Solid dito, ah. Bilisan naman, eh, oh. Ang gusto pa ito. Tad-tad, tinuguan.
Tigtad.
Tigtad. Kalderetang baka. Specialty. Ayos, okay. Kain lang, tapos uwi na tayo. Order ko. Beche, lapu-lapu. Solid, oh. Okay dito, ah. Ayos, ah. Okay, so it's 4 o'clock. On our way back to Manila. So it's another 80 kilometers, 90 kilometers back. That's the gas. Yan. So below half, no? So siguro pag uwi, 1/4 yan. Tingnan natin where. So far we consume 130 kilometers, 134 kilometers, 300 kilometers to empty. So, balikan ko na lang kayo when we get back. Kasi baka humaba na naman tong video na to, no? So, we are still in Clark on our way to SLEX, to the airport. Ganda. No? Siguro we get back by 5:30. Going back. So, see you later. Time check, 5:30. Gas check. Yan. Nagpas pa ng 1:40. Dito tayo sa Congressional from NLEX. So, yun yung gas. Ulit. One more look. Wow, marami pa. Okay. Sarap ng tulog. Tulog na tulog. Buong biyahe. Alright. 6 o'clock. Sakto. Back home.
Ayaw mo
So,
umuwi.
230 kilometers.
Ayaw mo sa akin?
Gas
Ayaw
natin,
niya umuwi.
1/4. Lagpas pa ng konti ng 1/4, no? So, nung umalis tayo, lagpas half, tapos 1/4 na. As expected. So, that's it. Alright, pagod din ako. Thanks for watching. That's the vlog for today. Another trip with the E150. So, a trip to Clark. So, if you're subscribed, please do leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed, please help the channel out by subscribing. Thank you for watching.
2 different levels, I cannot relate.